Okay, this tutorial, we're going to show how to get the topo surface cut out of our foundation. You can see our topo surface is going through our basement. We need to cut that out. So we have a cross section open. We have a basement floor plan open. We're going to go into architecture. We're going to go into component, model in place. We're going to find the topo solid because that's the component we're working in. There we go. And we're going to hit OK. Now we're going to type in basement void, hit OK. Now we're going to go to void forms, void extrusion. We're going to pick lines and draw the outside of the foundation wall. Now we're going to go OK. Now we're going to go to our cross section and we're going to adjust the height so that it cuts through, but it still is like visible where I can select it. And then it cuts through to the basement floor system. Now I have to go, this is an important step here. I have to go to cut and I select what geometry to cut. So first off, I hit my topo surface and then I hit the top of my void. And now I hit finish model and voila, it cut all that out. So now if we wanted to, the way we cut the footings out is we just go back to that cut command and we make sure we have multiple cuts selected and we collect on what we want to cut and then we select the parts out of that we want to cut. So that footing looks a little wacky to me, but that's beyond the point here. So now you can see I've got these cut out. Now I can just keep moving that section till I cut it. Now there's a way that the Balkan architect showed on his video. It's kind of clever way to do that. So you go to your 3D plan and you go to the underside of your house and you go to wireframe. And what you're trying to do is find the ones that are, when you click that, the ones that you're going to cut out, they turn blue. So like if I wanted to cut this footing out of my garage, see now it's turning blue. So I can get this one, this one, this one. I can get this garage wall here. I can get all my house walls. Now you see this one I've got, this is one I got in the section, but I didn't get this little part of it. So now I can click that. So you can go around and cut your footings out on the underside in 3D. Now I'm going to show you a little trick then also that the Balkan architect showed me. So I'm going to get out of the cut command. If you want to see, so let's get this back to consistent colors maybe. If you want to see what your void looks like, you can highlight your topo surface. You can go to temporary hide isolate and isolate element. And then that lets you come in and see what you've cut out. So you can see here that I've already cut out those two walls of the garage, but I'm missing the first one and I'm missing the front footing. So that's your way of going around and checking that you make sure you have it all cut out. And then if you want to go back to the normal view, you just hit this and you go to reset temporary hide isolate. Okay, thank you.